Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to sign a document sent via email using Docusign. This is a simple and secure way to review signed documents without printing or scanning. Let's go through the steps together. First, go to your agreements in your inbox. You will see a request waiting for you to sign. You just need to click Sign. As you can see, a signing request will appear on your screen. There is no need to download, print, or scan anything. You can add your signature right here, right away. Simply click your signature field at the bottom, or wherever it is needed, and place it there. Once your signature is added, just click Finish to send the signed document back to the person who requested it. Then click Send. Once that is done, you will receive a confirmation that the document has been sent. And that is how we sign a document sent through email using Docusign. It is a quick and easy way to handle important documents anytime, anywhere.